Greetings, everyone. Do I have a special surprise for you today? But before we get rolling, I wanted to thank everyone for coming over to the channel, supporting me, supporting the entire community, and a special thanks to all the subscribers. If you're not subscribed, and if you like what you see, please hit the subscribe button. So today on the channel, something very special, something never seen before. This just hit the market today. I'm going to unbox these. You're going to see exactly what I see in real time. So hang tight. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you the Neotec NH-843. And you might be asking yourself, what's the NH-843? Well, I'm glad you asked. It is the newest chainsaw coming by way of Neotec. But this is not your typical, all right, another steel clone. Oh no. When you open the box, you get much more. Let me tell you about Neotec. They listen to their customers. If we have a complaint, they listen. And they also react. They fix the problem if there's an issue. That's why I really like this company. So what's in the box? Well, you get yellow ear protectors this time, not red. But wait, there's more. Safety glasses, and of course your mixing bottle with the ratio on it. Just like before, pretty much just like you would get in all the other saws they presented to us so far. I actually like these gloves. Now, remember the toolkit, right? What do we have in here? Oh, say you want to go do some maintenance on your saw, or put a new jug on a big bore jug, or a OEM jug, or OEM carburetor, or whatever. Well, you just use what's in this pouch. They have upgraded all of these tools. This is an Allen wrench. Look at the handle on that. I don't know if you remember before, it was just a cheap little Allen wrench. Of course, you get your scrunch. Oh, but what we got here? Another one. Now this is an Allen, and I know everyone out there is used to the Torx, but this is Allen for a reason. So you get two of the Allens, and this was one of the major complaints on these last batch of saws they had, the steel clones. So this might give you an indication of what I might have here in the box with these Allen wrenches. Have you guessed yet? And of course they upgraded this screwdriver. It's not just one of those real chintzy little screwdrivers anymore. You know, longer. Number one, it's longer. Number two, it's more heavy duty. That was one of the complaints they had. They listened to us. A lot of extra screws. Say you want to go do some piston work, put some new rings in or something. Well, look at this. This comes with every kit. All these ring compressors. Not the best thing ever, but hey, if you don't have a ring compressor, you got all the sizes right here that you need. I believe this is the little piston stop for the bottom by the crankcase. I thought that was a really cool idea. So they got two of these piston stops now for the spark plug end that goes in the top. Really cool. They also provided some really cool gauges this time around. You've seen these before. Well, they just threw these in on the deal. Your depth gauge, your tooth length, chain pitch, it's all right here. 2 different style tools for that. And of course, if you want to plug your decompression valve, they always include these. And of course, they always provide extra screws for you. You know we're always losing those, okay? These are Allen screws. What goes on an Allen screw? Well, what does this go on? Does that look familiar to anyone? Have you guessed yet what the saw is? Let me put these back and I'll pull the saw out. Ladies and gentlemen, the NH-843, which is the Husqvarna 365 replica. I am super excited about this. So, you've seen all the steel models. Now we're starting to get into Husqvarna models. I have another saw I'll do, but you're going to have to wait for the next video on that. What do you think of that, huh? I'm a Husqvarna fan, if anybody doesn't know. I love me some Husqvarna. What do you think of that? Get a load of that. I like it. So, let's put this on. Interesting. It says made in Sweden. So Neotec is going to start releasing more of these saws. They're listening to the world, basically, you know, where they sell these saws at, and they're saying, hey, we want this model saw, we want that model saw over here. And this is one of the demands. It says right here, pro grade chainsaw. I actually like these felling spikes. I think they're really nice. They're not too long. A lot of people say they're too short. I have some dual dogs I'll put on this, maybe put that on at the end of the video. A 7-pin rim sprocket. There's your decomp. Chain brake works great. I like that they included the plate on these too. It's pretty nice. If you guys haven't tried the Neotec bars or chains, I'm telling you, they're really nice. I was really surprised at how well the quality was on the bars and the chains, and also how long the chains stay sharp. I was blown away at it. Typical filter on these. Now I've heard that these carburetors are being upgraded as well. The big H, like a HLIC. Not sure. Show you that card. I mean, just think you could put a 372 top end on this and you're rocking. Got you a nice little cheap 372, you know. But 365 is no slouch. Okay, there's the top cover. Take the hat off. See a little bit more into it. Yeah! Oh, I'm loving this. I am loving this. I'm liking this saw, guys. This is nice. Chain brake seems really stiff. Again, it may just be because it's new, but I'm really liking this. I'm really liking this saw. I can't wait to put this in some wood. One of my saws growing up, I cut probably more firewood with 365 than any other saw. I always have a special place in my heart for that saw. This is awesome. So let me put this back together and we'll talk a little bit more about it. Uh-oh, look what I found. Look what I found in the stash, guys. OEM Husqvarna's filling spikes. Yeah, these are OEM. So that's pretty much going to be it for the video. I just wanted to get this out there to show you guys that these are available. They started selling these today. So you heard it first right here. I got another surprise for you guys coming up too. But I figured you'd like this. We'll be running this saw really soon. Alright, let's talk price. So if you're interested in one of these, again, it's the NH-843, which is the 365 clone, Husqvarna. If you're interested in these, I'm going to leave a link down in the comments, and I'll also leave another link in the description, same link. This is going to run you $289. Can't beat that. Okay, and you can buy this one of two places. 65cc saw is what they're claiming. You can buy this on the eBay store, which I recommend. I've had more luck there. You can also buy this on Amazon. And again, I'll leave the link in the description for this, okay? And also I'll pin it down in the comments so it's quick access if you guys are interested. 289 bucks, guys. You know, they don't last for, there's like on Amazon, there's like 18 or 19 in stock right now. And it takes a while for them to replenish that stock. So I would highly encourage you to get on it. You can't lose for that kind of money. You cannot lose. This saw's great. Might go outside and fire it up too. Hang tight.